just like you. Never, oh, never to be caught on fresh. Okay. That's just like you. That's just like you. That's just like you.
Hello guys, I'm Gina Oga, a new YouTuber, a Nigerian YouTuber to be precise. So I promise you guys that I'll be telling you what goes on in the Nigerian university, the hustle, the struggle, the wahala and all things that goes on in the Nigerian university. So please guys, subscribe to my channel. So today I will be talking about the fact that last school no be scam. I heard a lot of people saying school na scam. No, school no be scam. It's all about the mindset. When you are thinking, when you are not thinking good, you are not feeling good, and when you are not feeling good, you are not doing good. You get? So I want you to give yourself an assignment, right? Tell yourself that the whole of this month we are just talking. This month I'm still not going to say negative thing about myself. I'm not going to feel negative about my environment. I'm not going to feel negative about my study for 1 month though, and see what will happen if you will not change. If you want to be successful, it's all about the mindset. Change your mindset. Change the way you think. Change the way you think. It's in the mind. It's in the heart. That is you that you are not feeling as if but last school no be scam. You get? So to my freshers, those that are coming into the university, those that are in already, those that be planning to come, please guys, I want you not to come to school or to face your study with the mindset that school is scam. Yes, it's not. You must not work and be waiting. You must not school and be waiting for a white collar job. If you are done with your study and then a white collar job comes your way, you collect it, you go for it. But if it doesn't come, you can create a job opportunity for yourself. That is when you face school with the fact that school is not a scam. That is when you face your study with the fact that school is not a scam. I'm sure God doesn't create in vain. Everyone out there that He spent time creating, there is a reason why you were created. There is something special in you that is not in any other person. There is something that is there. He doesn't create in vain. He doesn't create for the sake of creating. I am very sure there was a reason why you were created. Some discover themselves without going to school, but some discover their reasons start unfolding when they are in school. Even if you discover yourself before you are in school, it will help you. School will help you in a way to go about it, help you how to succeed, help you how to go about it. School is not a scam if you look look at it. Even in anything, no, school is not a scam. I'll sit down, think about it, go about it. No, school no be scam. It is your mindset that is telling you, and you have to change your mindset. We are just like a magnet. We attract everything we think. If you think very negative every day, you feel negative. You attract negative things. But if you feel positive, it doesn't concern you whatever is going on in your environment. That one is not your matter. It's not my business. The fact that the country is hard, no, it cannot be hard in my time. You understand? I will be very okay. School is not a scam for me. So please guys out there in the university, wherever you are, I am urging you, just give yourself assignment like 1 month, 1 good month. Tell yourself, I'm so not going to think about anything negative. Even though something negative happened to me, look at it with a positive mindset. Talk about it positively. Go about it positively and see at the end of the month if something did not happen. Come to my house and come and beat me. You understand? So last, school is not a scam. It's not all about getting a white collar job. You have something in you that you can help this country, that you can help your family, or you can help someone out there. You are unique in your own way. You are special. There is something in you that someone else doesn't have. School is not a scam. Go about it with the fact that no, school is not a scam. School will help you discover yourself. School will help you know how to put yourself in place. There are some rich people out there, but the fact that they did not go to school, yes, they have the money, but you will not know how to spend it because you didn't go to school. I've seen so many people. If school is scam, there are so many people out there that have gotten a lot of money, but they are still struggle to go into school. So you see, to tell you that school is not a scam. Don't start with this mindset of school is a scam. School, no. Don't come to school. Don't come to the university. Don't go to secondary school. Don't go to any school with the mindset that school is a scam. School is not a scam. School will help you realize yourself, know what you can do and what you cannot do. School will groom you to be a better person out there. School will make you that even you have money already, you will know how to control that money so that you will always be in rich. Because if school is a scam and you go and make money, there's a possibility that that money will finish sharp because you did not know. You were saying school na scam, and then you end up messing the whole issue up and you end up becoming broke and poor again. You understand? So please guys, don't face your study with the mindset that school is a scam. No, face your study. Forget about school na scam. No, it is not a scam. If you face it with the mindset that school na scam, you will not enjoy doing, even you are doing it for the sake of doing it. Go to school with the mindset that school is not a scam. If I get a white collar job, a government job, I will take it. And if I don't get, I will be able to provide one for myself. You can provide a job opportunity for yourself and for some people out there. So help yourself, my brother, my sister. Help yourself know that school no be scam. Yes, I am refusing that thought today. Stop it. It's normal. Some people joke about it, but trust me, some people take it so personal. They take it so serious, thinking that school na scam. What's the point of going to school? So even when I'm going to school, why would I cannot come and go and kill myself because school na scam. I cannot come and go and die because last time I will not get a job. If you will not get a job, can't you provide a job for yourself? There's so many people out there because they were educated, they were able to know how they can put themselves in place, know how there are people out there. Government did not help them to make a new invent things. Government didn't help them because they went to school. They were able to invent because they went to school. That gift that God put in them were able to show and they were able to use it well. If not, if you don't go to school, in some cases there might be a gift that God has given you, but because you are not in school, even you realize you don't know how to use it because you work with the mindset that school na scam. No, girl, boy, school is not a scam. You understand? Please, guys, don't come to school with the mindset that school na scam. No. School no be scam. School no be scam. If you think if you think say school na scam, school go scam you, understand? If you think say school no be scam, e no go scam you, understand? E go work for your good. So come with the mindset that school no be scam, you understand? Even if e dey scam other people, e no go scam me. Me, I go school. This school where I dey go, e go work for me. This hustle cannot be in vain. It cannot be a scam. Aba, na real hustle I come hustle for school, and that hustle must pay. You understand? So school no go be, even if it be scam for una, abeg chill, God. School no be scam for me because your friend be saying, girl, you too dey take things to yourself. Which way you lost like you will still finish school, you don't have your S only right there. It's not for me. I'm going to get a job. Even if I'm not going to get a job, I'm going to provide a job for myself and my country. Okay? So school no be scam. Stop it. Face your study right. Think about it right. Be positive. Be good in what you are doing. Put your mind to it. Be ready to go any length just to make yourself successful. Change your mindset. That negative mindset. Do away with it. Do away with it. This is 2020. Do away with negative mindset. Don't just say it with your mouth. Practice it. Do it, God, today. Even if something did not happen. This my mind. No. This thing is good. If you like, tell me tell me that it's not good. Change your mindset towards something, sister, brother. Change your mindset towards something. School no be scam. If it doesn't work for some other people, if they went to school and still doing those, you don't know how they went about their life now. So that one is not your business. We don't have the same grade. So auntie, hold your own right there. I'm coming with my own, and mine is going to work for me very well. You get? So school no be scam. So guys, I'll be showing you a whole lot of things. You know, I'm just starting now, so please watch this video, share, subscribe. You understand? Subscribe, please. Oh, please be a destiny helper. You understand? Help a sister, please. Oh, subscribe, 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 subscribe,